calculate the value of minus 20 over 15 raised to the power of 3. We have to find the value of this. Solution. We have minus 20 divided by 15 raised to the power of 3. Now, what do we have from here? We can reduce this improper fraction. Because we have our denominator here, we have 20. And our denominator, what do we have? We have 15. There is a number we can look for. Okay, let's say we can look for the highest common factor between 20 and 15. The number that will divide both 20 and 15, the highest number that will divide both 20 and 15 without any remainder. And what is that? We can use 5. That is 5. That's the ACF between 20 and 15. So dividing by 5 and reducing this. 20 divided by 5. What do we have? That is 4. Then 15 divided by 5. What do we have? That's 3. So we now have this to be minus 4 divided by 3 raised to the power of 3. Now from here, these 3 will affect both the numerator and the denominator. So this can be written as minus 4 raised to the power of 3, then divided by, what do we have? 3 raised to the power of 3. Now, what do we have from here? We can simplify this. Minus 4 times minus 4 times minus 4. Divided by what? 3 times 3 times 3. Now, 4 times 4, that is 16. And 16 times 4, that will give us 64. Minus times minus, that is what? Plus. What is plus times minus will give us minus also. So the result is going to be negative. So we have minus 64 divided by what? 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, what do we have? We have this to be 3. Then 9 times 3, that is 27. Now, this is an improper fraction. Then we need to convert this improper fraction to a mixed numbers. That's the next thing to do. Converting. How many 27 are we going to see in 64? We are going to have 2. So this is going to be 2 whole number. That's 64 over 27. Now, 27 times 2, what do we have? That's going to be 54. So when you take away 54 from 64, the remainder is going to be what? 10. So it means that we have this to be minus 2 whole number, 10 over 27. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.